I love decorating for Christmas. Today, I'm going to show you how to deck the halls with festive planters using Aussie natives. First up, you'll need some hanging baskets. I found these at Mitre. Find a bowl that fits in the basket and put some chicken wire inside. These will keep your flowers watered and in position. For the flowers, you can use whatever you like. I've gone with gum, paper daisies and other natives. Trim them to size and strip the ends of foliage. Then pop the ends through the wire. Start from the middle with the tallest and thickest branches and work your way out. Fill in any gaps with more delicate flowers. Now finish it off with some battery-powered fairy lights. Protect the battery pack with a Ziploc bag and tuck it out of sight. Fill the container with water and you're done. Head into your local Mitre to get into the festive spirit.